How do you pronounce these words? Do you say ka, bed, nurse, fork, teacher? This is Pash Experts Academy, and I am Esther K, your English expert. In this video, you'll be able to recognize and pronounce Bossy R words correctly. Speak with improved clarity and confidence. Let's dive right in. When R comes after a vowel, it becomes bossy and takes control of the sound. Instead of saying the vowel sound clearly, the R pulls it in. Example: A becomes R, becomes I becomes becomes A becomes er. So instead of saying ka, you say car. Instead of saying teacher, you say teacher. Instead of saying bed, you say bird. Instead of saying fork, you say fork. Instead of saying nurse, you say nurse. Just so you know, this are triplets, meaning they all have the same sound, Don't you forget this simple rule. When you see a vowel and an R together, let the R be strong. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more lessons. I am Esther K, and this is Pash Experts Academy.